Everything is sent to waste, and I don't know how it goes against common sense just to use it once again. Every ego must be created and kept inside dry storage where it can't seep out and start a riot. Sitting in the pouring rain, waiting for another day. Nothing but topical pain. Underneath I feel okay. Can't isn't in my vocabulary, and certainly not right now. Fear only hits when I'm in past tense. I'll drive you fucks into the ground. I need to know if you think that you'll ever fall for it again. You're only human. You're only human. I need to know if you think that you'll ever fall for